Welcome to the Nevis Newscast for Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. I am Siobhan Walwyn. The Ministry of Health on Wednesday, September 1st, added the Pfizer-Biontech COVID-19 vaccine to its vaccine program. The soft launch saw doses of the vaccine arriving at the Charlestown Health Center.
Now we are particularly pleased because now we can offer this vaccine to children between the ages of 12 and 17. So it means then that our target population has expanded and we have additional persons that we can vaccinate. So no longer will children be dependent on their parents to protect them because the parents are vaccinated. The children can now protect themselves with the Pfizer-Biontech vaccine. So we welcome the first set of persons who are going to take the vaccine this afternoon. And we want to encourage other persons to come on out and also receive this vaccine if you have not yet been vaccinated, so that we can reach our herd immunity here on Nevis and prevent transmission, prevent also severe illness, prevent hospitalizations, and prevent death due to COVID-19. We are in an outbreak now, and it is extremely important that persons take the opportunity to get vaccinated.
Medical Officer of Health and Chair of the Nevis COVID-19 Task Force, Dr. Judy Nisbet. 12 adults were registered to take the jab on Wednesday.
To access this vaccine, it's important to make an appointment. So therefore, call your nearest health center and make an appointment so that you can be on the list to receive this vaccine. When the first dose is given, 3 weeks later, 21 to 28 days later, but specifically 21 days later, the second dose is available to you. So we hope to see the persons who are taking their vaccine this afternoon in 21 days. 2 weeks after receiving the second dose, you will be considered fully vaccinated.
Junior Minister of Health, the Honorable Hazel Brandy Williams, noted that nurses on Nevis have been trained to administer the vaccine.
We are told that the Pfizer vaccine could be administered to children between the ages of 12 and 17 years old. And so we would want to admonish and to encourage all parents to have their children vaccinated. We want them to protect their children from COVID-19 as well as to protect themselves. We know that children could contract the disease, and if they contract the disease, they can bring it home to their elderly parents or grandparents, and they too could become infected. And so we want to advise and encourage and admonish as many persons as possible to go out and have their vaccines. For older persons, some persons were a little apprehensive in taking the AstraZeneca. We are now saying to them that they have an option. The new option is the Pfizer. Protect yourself, protect your family, protect your co-workers, protect your community, protect Nevis so that we can get back to a comfortable state of living. It is important and it is the wise thing to do.
Meantime, Nevis has recorded 9 additional cases of COVID-19, bringing the island's total to 152. According to the Nevis COVID-19 situation report, as of August 31st, 2021, 28 cases have recovered and 124 cases remain active. The Health Promotion Unit is encouraging members of the public to participate in activities that are being organized for Caribbean Wellness Day, observed annually on the second Saturday in September. The day seeks to draw awareness to non-communicable diseases in communities across the region. This year's activities are being scaled back due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Senior health educator Chevrolet Nisbet says 4 activities have been planned.
Well, the first one will be the Caribbean Wellness Yoga Series, where we'll have yoga sessions on 3 Saturdays throughout the month. The first one will be on Saturday, September 4th. and that will be at the Nevis Heritage Village starting at 7 a.m. The second one would be on Saturday, September 18th at the Nevis Artisan Village, and the third one would be on Saturday, September 25th, and that will be held at the Fort Charles. All yoga sessions will be held from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., and of course all the COVID-19 protocols will be adhered to. You're wearing your mask, will be social distancing, and using hand sanitizers as necessary.
The Health Promotion Unit has also launched a new campaign and is inviting students to participate.
We also have a new activity this year that it is incorporating the COVID-19 protocols. We have created a campaign called Let's Face It, Wear a Mask. And this is to encourage students of the high school and primary school level to design a mask. And they can design it with a health, it could be with pictures or it could be with words, with a health message on it. And we are asking that individuals who are entering this competition that you send your mask and your design to Health Promotion Unit. That's Health Promotion Unit at niagov.com, and we're asking that it's one entry per person and that they should be in the format of JPEG or PNG.
Entries for the mask with a message challenge should be submitted by September 30th. The Health Promotion Unit is also inviting persons to join the celebration of its 5th annual Sneaker Day on Friday, September 10th, as well as to participate in the Caribbean Wellness Day Walk on Saturday, September 11th. The theme for Caribbean Wellness Day 2021 is In It Together, Building Healthy Communities. Tuesday, August 30th saw the culmination of professional development sessions for preschool teachers on Nevis. We caught up with the facilitators, resource teacher Brenda Williams, and early childhood coordinator Donnie Lands during an exhibition on Tuesday.
Now, signing in is the initial activity that children do when they come to school at mornings. Usually it was done with pen and paper. However, most children were having difficulties and were sad. And so we thought of having creative ways that the children and the teacher together can make signing in fun. Hence, we conducted a training session, and the teachers were asked to use their summer vacation to use low-cost, no-cost materials to produce creative activities that the children can use as their signing in process. And so today, we have on display from each of our public schools items that the teachers would have made that would make this new school year exciting for our children.
I would personally like to thank the government preschool teachers for work well done. I'm looking forward to see all these being practiced in the new school year.
Commendations also came from Principal Education Officer Zanella Claxton.
We are so excited indeed. We are proud of all of our early childhood teachers who worked so diligently during the lockdown when people were wondering, what are they doing? What's going on? They were working diligently and preparing for this new school year. And we have our sign-in fair this morning, which is just a small display of some of the examples of the work which we will be seeing in the centers during this school year. We are trying to elevate our product. We're trying to make it something that we can even be more proud of, more interactive, and of course more hands-on. And so the creativity has definitely come out during this time period, and we know that we will see it over and over again during the school year. Parents, as you can see, we are preparing, we are prepared, we are ready to work with our students. We know that they have had some gaps and they've had some downtime, but we are also making sure that we put mechanisms in place to give them an opportunity to use hands-on activities to make sure they know their letters, their names, they can recognize it. And all of these samples, all of these examples can also be done at home as well, as you try to reinforce and as you support us and we support you and your child. This fair is just one of the many parts of the puzzle, and as we know, our theme for this year, Education for the Future, Ready, Set, Go. And ready? We're set. And so next week, on September 6th, we'll be ready to go.
Principal Education Officer Zanella Claxton. Still to come.
And this competition is a collaborative effort of the Ministry of Tourism and the Department of Agriculture and the Department of Gender Affairs.
The details after this break.
I will take the vaccine because being vaccinated is the best way to beat the pandemic.
I will take the vaccine to protect my family, citizens, residents, and all visitors to Nevis.
I will take the vaccine to protect myself, my loved ones, my clients, my co-workers, my community.
For more information or to get vaccinated, visit your nearest health center.
Welcome back. Residents of Bath Village are invited to a meeting with the Ministry of Communications, Works and Water Services. At this meeting, residents will be updated on the second phase of the Bath Village Road Rehabilitation Project. In attendance will be the Premier and Area Representative for St. John's Parish, the Honourable Mark Brantley, Minister with Responsibility for Public Works and Water Services, the Honourable Spencer Brand, along with officials from the Nevis Water Department and the Public Works Department. The Town Hall style meeting will take place at 6 p.m. on Thursday, September 2nd at the Albertha Payne Community Centre in Bath Village. Your attendance will be appreciated. All COVID-19 protocols will be enforced. Registration for the Nevis Garden Competition is once again open. That announcement was made by Premier and Minister of Tourism, the Honourable Mark Brantley.
Persons are invited to enter their gardens in the household or business institution categories, and participants may enter vegetable gardens or flower ornamental gardens in the competition. There are many attractive prizes to be won, including gardening tools, farming supplies, seeds, seedlings, and grow boxes. And this competition is a collaborative effort of the Ministry of Tourism, the Department of Agriculture, and the Department of Gender Affairs.
The deadline for registration for the Nevis Garden Competition is September 30th, 2021. That's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. I am Siobhan Walwyn. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, thank you for viewing.